course, the question comes up all the time, what is privacy in the context of AI? The first thing that we believe is, not everything has changed. AI will change everything, but data privacy and what it requires of a business and how it uses data isn't actually going to change all that much in the context of AI. It just means that you need to apply the same practices that you would be applying regardless of the technology that you're using to this new technology in the context of AI. So what that practically means is you need to have mastery over what subset of information is going in to the models as you train them and as you inference against them. And that's no dissimilar from a marketing job that you write and making sure sensitive information isn't being used for advertising. It's just an extension of that principle to ensure that you are only putting in permission data and the right subset of information, sensitivity levels, etc., for training and inference of models. You need to be able to document that. You need to be able to prove that that's exactly what's happening. And of course, I think perhaps the new and interesting risk in the context of AI is whether or not your models are actually introducing harm or bias in a way that perhaps other processing couldn't have as easily have done. So that's a new consideration. And I think the last thing that should be coming, I would say no surprise to anybody, privacy is going to become agentic at some point. So everything that you do in your privacy program manually right now, dispatching surveys, so on and so forth, that is going to become agentic. And you're going to see privacy vendors like Ketch and others start to use these foundational models to extend the utility of their platform in any other way, in the same way that other people do.